Hello there and welcome to the latest freebie from MYT. This is the Collective Kicks Vol1 kick generator rack for Ableton Live. So the Collective Kicks Vol1 is a kick creator which is based on samples from a Jomox mBase 11 hardware synth. Now this Jomox mBase belonged to an artist called Ferher. Danny his name is, and he's an incredible artist from Liverpool who works on predominantly melodic house and techno and progressive house styles of music. And he came to me with this idea of wanting to really deeply sample the Jomox in order to create a bank of kicks that he could use for his productions. And we really took that concept and then ran with it. And for the last sort of, I don't know, year and a half, something like that, we've been working on this and we've been utilizing the Collective Kicks rack in our own productions. So it's a really, really great piece of kit and we are going to give it away to you for free. So as you can see here, it is 2 modules in the rack. You have one for the click and you have 10 click samples to select from. And you also have 20 sub samples to work with as well. And you can blend these together. As you can see, we're kind of mixing here. And we're able to control all of this via the joy of macro controls. And again, if you have, like we do here, a push controller, you can utilize this to your heart's content. So let's have a little listen to how it sounds. So as you can hear straight away, really, really good high quality kick. And that is a combination of, again, one of the 10 click samples and one of the subs. So we can listen to some of these in isolation here. So let's have a little listen to the clicks on their own. And you can hear the clicks can run the whole range, right from very, very percussive, very short, again, literally just a click sound, right the way through to something a lot more tonal and something that has a lot more body, essentially. So let's have a listen to the subs and see what we can come up with there. Turn the clicks off, and then we'll move back in and we'll play that. And as you can hear, it can again go from very short right the way through to really long, quite sustained kicks. So this can run the whole range of types of kicks that you'll need for many, many different genres of production, whether it's that nice, warm, round, deep house style kick drum, right the way through to more aggressive, maybe even distorted styles of kick for techno genres, or those shorter, more percussive kicks that you get in the more melodic house, progressive house, melodic techno kind of genres. So it can pretty much do everything. So let's just blend a kick together very quickly using both of these modules and we'll see where we get. So yeah, as you can see, it's very, very simple to program, very simple to get right. And from here, you can add on your own processing, maybe a little EQ, maybe some compression, maybe some distortion and some limiting in order to come up with this unique combination of clicks and subs in order to create your own custom kicks. So MYT's Collective Kicks Volume 1 is available to download now for free. So the link will be around the description of this video, no matter where you're watching it, and you'll be able to get hold of that and get going straight away. So we can't wait to hear what you are going to do with this. So feel free to tag us in any comments or any posts and let us listen to what you're making with Collective Kicks, and we shall see you soon. Thanks very much for watching.